Let's talk about AliExpress and the AliExpress affiliate program. So AliExpress is an e-commerce website, one of the most popular in the world, and they have a lot of product inventory from around the world. They service more than 200 countries, and you can become an affiliate for AliExpress and you can send traffic to your affiliate links and earn different commissions. So again, AliExpress is very popular and you can find basically anything that you're looking for right on this platform. So if you come to this website, you can find popular brands like 𝐈𝐻𝐼 microphones. I've been looking at this microphone recently because I've been trying to upgrade my microphone. So you can see we have 𝐈𝐻𝐼 microphones and you can be an affiliate for this product. So if you search for anything you are looking for on the AliExpress, you can find it. So this is the 𝐈𝐻𝐼 official store. So these are purely the original product from 𝐈𝐻𝐼. So if you come to the bottom of this page, you can find the affiliate program right here, and you can click on it and it will allow you to take you to this website called portals.aliexpress.com. So you just have to register, put in your name, your country, your currency, and all of that. So I am registered already. That's why it brings me back to the AliExpress interface. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. This is a new and a cleaner dashboard. So from the right here, this is where you find the ad center. This is where you see products that you can promote. This is the code center. This is where you find products that you already generated traffic codes to or affiliate codes to. This is where you find incentive campaigns like products or programs that are currently running with incentives for affiliates. This is where you see your reporting, your traffic report, your income report, your live order tracking, and then your transaction reports. This is where you find tools like the link generator, the API, and then the site stripe. So I'm going to talk about the site stripe shortly. And this is where you find the payment information. You can tie your bank account to this, and you are going to send your money when you hit about $16 or $15. This is where you find your account balance, your payment information, and then the commission rules. You can see the penalty center, and this is where you find your website. If you put a website, this is find your sub affiliates, your tracking ID, and a whole lot of things. So let's talk about how you can find product on this platform. So if you come here where it says ad center, you can find a different products that you can start affiliating on this website, aliexpress.com. So from here you can find them by the current hot deals, you can find them by the higher commissions, you can find them by the featured product based on sales and stuffs. You can find them by searching for them, and you can find product by the campaign banners. You can come here, select the category of products you want to see. Let's say we want to look at just phones and telecommunications. So this page is going to refresh and we are going to see basically just phones related stuffs. All right, so you can remove that and then you can search for something else. Let's say watches. And then you can find different kind of watches that you can affiliate. You can even check if they have only product that has codes like promo codes and so on. So you can see these very products only. You can search for product that offers free delivery or free shipping. You can toggle that and find only products that offers free delivery. You can see free shipping, and down here you can find our estimated earning commission. So these guys, they are going to pay us 80%, and 80% amounts to $1.56. These ones right here, our earning potential is going to be 8%, but it's going to amount to around $23.20 for linking the commission. So we have different watches that we can affiliate for right here. So this is the first way you can find products. So if you wanted to affiliate for any of these products, you can click on this link and then you can come to the bottom here and click on copy and promote. You instantly get a link. This is the first way to do this, and you have pictures that you can download that you can use to promote this product. So you can basically select them and click on download selected, and they are going to be downloaded and you can use them for your marketing purposes. So that's the first way to get your affiliate link. So you can come here, click on higher commissions to see product that offers high commissions as at this. So you can uncheck these ones if you don't want them, but it's always important to offer free shipping if you can. So you can see different things right here. You can equally search them by name. So you can come here, you can search any product you like. Let's say we are looking for Xiaomi 13 or Poco F5. So you can type the name there and select, and all the product there will come up. So these are Poco F5 phones by different sellers. You can see that they offer different commissions depending on the seller. It's also important to know that it's not every seller that is going to be open to the affiliate program. So there are some products you look for, but you will not be able to find them because the sellers, they are not just a part of the affiliate program. So again, if you wanted to promote any of these, you can copy, click on promote now, and then you can generate the link, and this becomes your affiliate link. So alternatively, you can come to if you come back to the AliExpress website. So if you come to the AliExpress website, if you are already an affiliate, you can search for a particular product. Let's say I wanted to promote this fine microphone. I can click on this product and then I can carry this product link and I will take it back to the affiliate website and I'll use it to find the affiliate's link or find the product in the backend. So this is currently the fine AM8. So I can just copy this item link and then I'll come back here and then I'll come to tools and I'll come to the link generator. So I can paste that link right here and tell it to get tracking link. So it's going to get this tracking link to that very product for me, and this becomes the tracking link. So I can copy this link and then I can affiliate this link. So that's the second way to actually get your affiliate link. So the third way is if you go back to the AliExpress website, you want to if you go to the home page, you are going to find the site stripe. This is the site stripe. So again, if you come back after registering and getting approved, you have to come to the site stripe here. This works basically like Amazon. So if you come to the site stripe, you can turn it on or you can turn it off. So the moment you turn it on, you'll be able to get your affiliate link directly on the front end of aliexpress.com. So this is what it's going to show like, and then you can come here, enable it, make sure it's enabled, and then you always get this bar and it's going to make it easier for you. So if I come back here, you can see that I have it right here. So it gives you the item. This is the item right here, and you can get the test link or the image link, or you can even do a quick share to Facebook, Twitter, and I've forgotten the name of this platform. But you can send it and it's going to carry your affiliate link. So you can click on image to get an image that you can put on your website. So you can select the size of the image, and then you can get, this is the HTML code that you can add to your website. So you can copy this as an image and you can put it on your own website. So if you wanted to get the test link, you can just come here, get the test link. And again, this is going to be your test link. So you copy this link and this is the link you want people to land on. It's going to take them to your affiliate ID and they are going to purchase these products. And if they do, you are going to be earning the commission that's attached to this product. So as you can see right here, we have our affiliates blah 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 ID. It shows that every purchase is done through this will be tracked, and you can see the search trend or data for these microphones in the last 30 days. You can even see the regions that are buying these microphones. You can see other suppliers for this microphone. You can see the stock quantity. You can see everything, the store info, everything they are selling. You can basically, if you're into microphones and this is your niche, you can see comparison mics that you can use you can actually affiliate. For instance, this �W𝐚𝐬 is looking quite nice too. I can look at it, and if I like it, I can equally affiliate it. And the next part of the video is going to talk about how to actually affiliate this link, or what are the methods that some persons use to affiliate this link. So this is the �W𝐚𝐬 gaming, the �W𝐚𝐬 PD100X, and it looks like a direct rival to the one we just looked at. So you can basically also get their own link here. You can equally get the image link right here. You can select the medium, you can select the large. So these links, these are the links you put on your website, all right, or the links you embed anywhere that you can embed the HTML code. So now that you have joined this program, you have your affiliate links. How exactly do you promote the links? So one of the easiest and free way to promote this is to go to YouTube and start a YouTube channel. I personally do this, so it works. So what you can do is come here. We are looking for, let's say, the 𝐈𝐦𝐻 AM8 microphone, and you can see these are what people are searching for. People are looking for the unboxing. They want to know what it looks like. People are looking for this versus the Blue Yeti. People are looking for the review. People are trying to compare it with the Shure SM7B. People are trying to compare it with the K688. So you can basically search for this, and you see video ideas that people are already making, and you can make similar videos. This is, of course, if you have the videos, if you have the product. This means you might need to personally buy these mics and use them. However, if you do not want to buy this mic, you can do a list of the best microphones on AliExpress and basically put your link to the description of this video. So as you can see, these are all microphones. If I open some of these microphones, you'll be sure to find affiliate links in the description of the video, and this is how most YouTubers send people to their affiliate links. This is the first method you can use, and this is one of my preferred method. You can equally use social media places like Twitter. I already have a video on how you can share affiliate links on Twitter. I'm going to make a detailed video on how you can share AliExpress link on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe to watch that video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If this video has helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. My name is 𝐻𝐿, and if you watch this video right here, it's going to show you how to use Twitter to actually send traffic to your affiliate links.